savoir and connaître in French. It is easy, guys. As you can see, savoir is to know, savoir. Connaître is to know also. How to use them, that's our biggest problem, our biggest challenge. To know how to use them in French. Very good. It's very easy. Let's tell you that one thing. Savoir is to know information. And connaître is to know something or someone. It's not the information. Let me take you one example for each of them. Savoir. Je sais, I know. Qu'il travaille à la mafia. Je sais qu'il travaille à la mafia. Ou je sais qu'il travaille à la FBI. Je connais Monsieur John. Je connais Monsieur John. I know Mr. John. Thank you so much. See you for another explanation. Thank you so much, guys. Bye. Au revoir. Merci.